In this video, I will demonstrate how to export bibliographical data from reference managers like EndNote, etc. to NVivo Mac. To import the EndNote data into NVivo, we need to first save bibliographical data from EndNote in XML format. Open your EndNote library and select the articles which you want to import to your NVivo project. Once they are selected, go to File menu, select Export, and this new window will appear. You will locate where you want to save it and give it a name and save as XML and then click OK. So I would now show you in a video how to do it in live. To export bibliographical data from EndNote, open your EndNote library and select the articles which you want to import to NVivo. So I would select these articles which has attachment. I would also select the article which has no attachment. So although I have all these articles with attachment, let's try. If there is no attachment, like this clip is not there, that article will go to the external. In my case, all these articles have attachment. So let's try. So once I have selected my articles, I would go to the file and select export. And now here I have an option, text only, APA 7, and all these. So I would save it as my EndNote NVivo library, and I would also save it as under desktop. My desktop is not visible here, so I will search for it. So here you go. And then I would definitely make sure that I select .xml because NVivo only recognize XML from EndNote. I can play with the output style, so can have, I think I would prefer APA, and then save. So this is how we save an XML file from EndNote to import our bibliographic data to NVivo. To import .xml file into NVivo Mac, go to Data tab, and from Data go to Bibliographic Data, and from here you can select any of these versions, Mendeley, RefWorks, Zotero, or EndNote. In our case, we will select EndNote. A new window will open. Browse the location, for example, desktop, and locate or select the .xml file and click Open. After that, complete the other two steps by making the decisions and click OK. I will now show you how to do this in live. I have now opened my NVivo sample project, and I would go to Data tab from the top ribbon, and from here I would go to Bibliographic Data, and under Bibliographic Data I can see EndNote, the first one. So I will click on it and would look for the .xml file, and I can see it's right here, which is active. All the other files are not active, so I would open it. A new window will appear, and now I can name file by author and year or by title. So let's say by author and year, and then I can assign files to single classification, reference, or different classification based on record type. And then I can locate them under files in a certain area. So I would like to locate them under literature. and the externals, those files which has no attachment or no article attached, I would like to put them in the externals. So NVivo import content from file attachments and figures wherever available. It also create memos from abstracts, keywords, and notes. So once I click OK, the download would start. Now we can see now the download is complete. Let's check where are our articles in the literature. These are the articles which are imported, because in the past there was just one article analyzing one, but now I have imported these 3 articles which which I had highlighted. In Mendeley, we will do the same way, whereas instead of .xml, we will save the file in .ris format. Similarly, in Zotero, we will save the file instead of .xml into RIS format. Also, for RefWorks, we will save the file in RIS format in order to import into NVivo. This is the end of getting started in NVivo Mac, exporting bibliographical data from reference managers.